Uno, dos. Let's do an unboxing. Hey guys, Joe here, just doing an unboxing video. It's actually the first one I've ever done, and it's going to be hopefully a cool thing to do. I've kind of gotten back into the Airsoft thing, so I figured I'd get a mystery box. But also, another box showed up. This is something I ordered back on the 15th, and I paid for it same day, and it just got here. Today's the 26th. 26th? Yes, the 26th when I'm filming this. And it took 10 days because, here's a tip for you. Don't make your label curve over the edge of the box, because then people misread it and then it gets sent back to the shipper twice. So, but anyways, I've already opened this one because I knew what this was when I was buying it, but I wanted to show it to you. I got this for 39 bucks. This is the Blackwater Gas Blowback 1911. I got it for $39. I bought it from somebody who doesn't deal with air guns, and for 39 bucks I thought it was a win. Did not come with a magazine, however it's just a single stack CO2 mag. They're like $27, $28, so I'll get one of those. And then I'll have a Blackwater 1911, which actually goes for somewhere around 100 bucks still, so I could flip it, sell it, and make a little bit of money. But that was the one I knew about. What I'm unboxing today is Fox Airsoft, put up their logo, $100 mystery box. I thought I would check it out. You guys have come through on subs and comments and all that good stuff, so I had a little bit of extra YouTube money to spend, so I thought I'd spend some YouTube money on this guy. And let's see, I didn't bring a knife out here with me, so I'm going to use this claw hammer. And no, I'm not copying C7 Viper. I just honestly forgot to grab a knife. And claw hammers work. By the way, if you haven't subbed yet, you should probably do that, because now with the Airsoft videos also coming up once or twice a week, you're going to get extra videos every week. And since the videos are free to watch, just give me a little bit of love to help the channel grow, give me more ad revenue, and then I can get more stuff. So, it's going to be a pistol. Question is, what pistol is it? Let's open it up. Paper! Packing slip. Here we've got a propane adapter. Okay, so this is good because if you don't have green gas or don't have access to green gas where you are, you can fill some of your air guns up with propane. And I actually have a green gas magazine that I have to test, so I may actually wind up trying that out. There's also a Lancer tactical patch, says better weapons, more peace. And hopefully this one will be a different open unboxing compared to some of the ones you guys have seen, just because it's been a while since I've seen any new unboxings. So, a bag of Pro Series 0.2 grams. That's cool. And a Defense Tactical Gear single point sling. I'm actually a pistol guy, so I probably won't use that. But we have in here an Action Army Airsoft gun, and that's it in the box. So let's see, what does it say? It's the AAP-01. Why do I think I know which one this is? Yeah, it's the one I thought it was. Wow, that feels awfully heavy for some reason. But this is the AAP-01 blowback. It's a polymer gun, but it's kind of cool because you can do stuff with it, because it comes with a set of accessory rails that you screw into the gun so that you can add lights, lasers, bazookas, all the stuff I'd put on a real steel gun, put on one of these. And it comes with an orange tip that you can screw on. Let's see, are these right hand or left hand twist? I don't know. Yep, they're right hand twist. So reverse twist threads, probably in -14 from what I understand. But it looks kind of cool. It's kind of like a Ruger mixed with a Luger mixed with a Mark IV. And it has fiber optic sights front and rear, as you can see. Greens in the back, reds or orange in the front. I like a nice fiber optic picture. Looks pretty good. Has a trigger safety. Has a slide lock so you can lock it open. And it does have a cross bolt safety or cross pin safety. So that's pretty cool. Magazine, it's like an imitation Glock mag. It says it holds 17. Let's see if there's any gas in it. Ah, it was just a puff. Yeah, nothing left. That's pretty cool. So this is the AAP-001. I'd have to double check and see what the actual value of this is. Give me a second. Doesn't fit back in with the mag in it. So after looking it up, the AAP-01 comes in at 99 US dollars, which was the cost of the box. And then you get the sling, which is probably $10, the adapter, which is probably $5, and the little bag of BBs, which was probably $5. So we gained about $15, $20 worth of add-on to our value, which is pretty good actually. And that means it was worth buying this mystery box because we got a couple extra things without spending a little extra money. I will say that I did have to pay shipping because Fox Airsoft does free shipping on orders over $150. This was only $100, so I did pay $10 in shipping. However, I did find a code that worked, and that saved me $10, so the shipping wound up being free. So the whole thing wound up costing me $99 plus my state tax. Overall, not bad. So I got that pistol for $100. I got this one for $39. I will be getting the magazine for it in the next day or so, and then we will make sure this one works, and then we will see which one I keep for the collection. I'm not sure which one I will keep. Put it down in the comments which one you would keep, either the Blackwater 1911 or the ASG AAP-01. I'm interested to hear your comments, questions, all that good stuff. Don't forget to leave them down below, and as always, we'll talk to you later.